What's up guys, and welcome to this week's video. In this week's video we are simply making an air fried steak. Yes, grilling your steak is the best way, but I'm telling you, the air fryer simplifies it and it is so good you will not miss out on the grill flavor. I promise you that. We are simply doing a New York sirloin today. Let's get cooking.
You're gonna season your steak with black pepper and real salt. Use the real salt, not that yucky table salt crap. Use it!
Alright, we have our air fryer preheated at 400 degrees. I just set it at 400 degrees for 4 minutes just to kind of get that sucker heated up. And the next step,
we're gonna slap the steak in the air fryer for 400 degrees in 12 minutes. Oh yeah!
Just like Chase said, 400 degrees for 12 minutes. That's all you need to do. You don't need to flip it or anything. You just put it in there with a little bit of spray. 400 degrees, 12 minutes. It's all it takes.
This is gonna be a so done steak! Cook, baby, cook!
Now you want to let the steak rest for a few minutes until you serve it up. All right, Chase, it's your turn. You want to have a little bite? How'd you do? How is it? Lip smacking good? All right. Here we go. And try to cut another piece. Let it sit for a little while. It is medium. Could have been maybe a little bit pinker, so maybe next time 400 degrees at 10 minutes if the steak is thinner. Typically the steak is a little bit thicker, but definitely nice and pink in the middle. So this is like a perfect medium. Sometimes I like it medium rare, but this will give you that nice medium doneness. So good. All you need is that sea salt and black pepper. That's it, nothing else. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick steak air fryer recipe. Remember, 400 degrees on 12 minutes, you can't go wrong. If it's a little bit thinner of a steak, go 10. If it's thicker, you might have to go more, but you don't have to do anything. It's super simple. It locks in the juices. You cannot go wrong. Thank you guys for watching. Until next week, always remember...
Run!